Welcome everybody to a quick little unboxing and Philippines preparation trip. If you go back on my Philippine preparation trips earlier, you'll see that I did get a new piece of luggage to take onto the plane, but I also ordered a second piece of luggage because I don't feel like carrying a backpack around. So let's check out what's inside this bag. Let's see if it's going to do me or make my life easier in travels, not only on the airplane, but also while I'm gallivanting around the islands. Thinking that I would need my new handy dandy X-Acto knife, I was wrong. I don't need it. Amazon bags now fold and rip. Nice and easy. So what this is a shoulder bag. Kind of a fanny pack for your shoulder. We did it. A fanny pack for the shoulder. Not only can you put a bunch of stuff in it and hide things like credit cards, passports, and all the important stuff, because supposedly it has a really nice locking system that locks your zippers, but it also has an internal battery. Would you guys look at that? It just goes over your back like that. That's a one arm backpack thing. Oh, my hair. I have a little zipper here where I can unzip, slap a couple credit cards in there, some money if I want to. Supposedly you could take a knife to this, stab it, try and cut it. It can't be stabbed or cut. For the zippers, you could lock your zippers in here, and it has a combination lock so no one can unzip your zippers. I like that. Another feature that I really like, where I don't see at the moment, but now I do, has a USB plug here so you can charge your mobile devices on the go. How much stuff can I fit in here? I don't know. They said you could fit like a 12-inch iPad and a few other things. My goal is to put the camera in here, maybe 2 cameras, memory cards on the back of it. Has a passport pocket so you can put your passport and stuff so no one can cut in and steal, because, well, one thing, it's on your back. That part, this part is on your back, but also it's knife proof and razor blade proof. Though I need the bag, so I'm not going to test the razor blade on here at the moment. But let's see how much stuff we can fit inside. Okay, this is my new bag. That's the new bag. Let me show you guys what I have packed already. Oh man, it's starting to get heavy. Starting to get heavy. But I do have all my clothes packed in here. This is all the clothes I'm taking. This is everything. It's just, I think I need some swim trunks in there, but there's room for those up here. But that is my packing job at the moment. Those are t-shirts and undies. Then I still have this whole side to fill up. So I'm going to have plenty of room, definitely. Except, probably going to need some of these. Now, as for this thing goes, I set my combination lock. Oh, let me turn it so you guys don't see it, in case somebody finds me. I don't want them to know my code. All right, so all I got in here at the moment is not the camera I'm talking to you guys on, but I do got my Osmo Action and stuff in there. A couple external microphones, wireless mics, some cables, but that's about all I have to put in there right now because, well, eventually the camera I'm talking to you guys on is going to go in there. But that's about it at the moment. Credit cards, passport, everything else will be going in there at a later date. So that is what I'm taking to the Philippines. A little backpacky thing, and something that rolls on wheels. I was going to end up bringing this, put my camera in there. This is my normal camera bag right there. But I was going to put everything in there to match one of my shirts and a hat that I have. Where is my hat? There it is. There's my hat. It matches one of my shirts and my backpack that I would use for camera stuff. But I think I'm going to leave this stuff and just go extremely light. I'm going to try and do this trip very minimally. As much as I would like to bring more stuff, like I would love to bring my skateboard. I would love to bring that thing and be able to travel all over the place with it. But it looks like I'm probably going to end up having to rent a motorcycle when I get there. I don't want the skateboard weighs like 20 pounds, so that's not going. But other than that, I'm pretty much ready. I got 13 days till I come home, get my truck unpacked, put my stuff inside stuff stuck in a truck's RV, including my cat because she's going to be babysitting. And then I got 2 days to just kind of relax, get as much sleep as possible because I suck at sleeping on planes. And I have a 46-hour plane flight, and I know I'm not going to sleep at all. So I'm going to get 46 hours worth of sleep. That way I can stay awake for 46 hours. That's how I'm going to play this. Yeah, I thought about bringing this bag because I really like it a lot. But it might be just a little bit too much overkill.